So my role was primarily in the lead up to the workshop. We've been engaging participants in an online discussion. We wanted them to come here already knowing about each other, knowing about where they were, what they were doing, and to get already into the work mode in a way. So we organized this online discussion for a couple of weeks, email-based, where we start by introducing ourselves as team and as participants, identifying what people were working on, the different activities and projects related to digitalization in agriculture, the challenges that they were facing, but most importantly the outcomes and what digitalization in agriculture is bringing in different sectors. So what are the things that work, for whom, and how we can capitalize on that, learn and act upon, so that the participants themselves can bring something back to work with, but also CTA can organize its future work around things that really work or the issues that are really important for the people involved in the sector. This is really empowering for them, but also for us as a core team. We get really much more out of this an emerging process like this than when we really have a prescriptive process. There was a lot of energy and people really bought into the whole concept and how we did things. So I think it went really well. Of course, this is the first one of a series of workshops, and now today we're here reflecting on what we did in order to improve and do better each time, right? And I think that's also part of the game for us to learn as we go along and make things better, smoother and more productive as for the next workshop. But I think as for the first one, yeah, it went very well, and participants seem really to be happy about how we organized the things, how they were involved into, like I said, steering and building the process together. So yeah, very, very good. And I mean, we have a really nice team. I really like to work with the team that we have here. Some I knew already, some other colleagues I met for the first time, but I think, yeah, we have a nice chemistry, and I think the complementarity of roles and skills, it's really nice. We mix and match quite well together. So I really look forward to work together with the team and the other participants for the upcoming workshops.